Think about it. In a world buzzing with fintech startups, buy now pay later schemes, and crypto wallets, does a traditional institution like Westpac, one of Australia's oldest banks, still hold its ground? It's a valid question. The financial landscape is evolving at warp speed, and it's easy to wonder if these established players are keeping pace or fading into the background. For generations, Westpac has been a cornerstone of the Australian financial system. From helping families secure their first homes to supporting businesses big and small, their presence has been undeniable. They've been a fixture on high streets, a name synonymous with savings accounts and home loans. But the world has changed dramatically. Now, you can manage your money entirely from your phone, invest in global markets with a few taps, and even take out loans without ever stepping foot in a physical branch. So, where does a traditional bank like Westpac fit into this new reality? The answer, perhaps unsurprisingly, is complex. On one hand, Westpac still operates as a bank in the fundamental sense. They hold a banking license, are regulated by APRA, and offer a wide range of traditional banking products and services. You can still open a savings account, apply for a mortgage, get a credit card, and access financial advice through them. Millions of Australians continue to entrust Westpac with their money. Their physical branches, while perhaps less frequented than before, still exist, providing a tangible presence and a point of contact for those who prefer in-person interactions. However, to simply say yes, it's still a bank overlooks the significant transformations and challenges they face. The rise of digital-first competitors has forced Westpac, like other major banks, to adapt and innovate. They've invested heavily in their digital platforms, offering mobile banking apps and online services to cater to the growing demand for convenience and accessibility. Furthermore, the reputational damage from past scandals and regulatory breaches has undoubtedly impacted public perception. Trust, a crucial element for any financial institution, has been eroded, and rebuilding that trust in an increasingly scrutinizing environment is an ongoing process. The competitive landscape is also fiercer than ever. Fintech companies are nipping at their heels, offering specialized services with often lower fees and a more streamlined user experience. Buy now pay later services have carved out a significant portion of the consumer credit market, and the allure of decentralized finance and cryptocurrencies, while volatile, cannot be ignored. So, is Westpac just a bank anymore? Perhaps not. They are evolving, adapting, and facing unprecedented challenges. They are navigating a complex environment where technology is reshaping how we interact with our finances. Their future success will likely depend on their ability to continue innovating, regain and maintain public trust, and effectively compete in a rapidly changing financial world. They need to be more than just a place to deposit your paycheck. They need to be a relevant and valuable partner in the modern financial lives of their customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.